We went on a road trip.
The next day.
Hey! So we stayed at the Friends of the Smoky Travel Centre. This is in the Smoky Mountains in the Appalachians. Great spot. We stayed at a treat over there. Christmas dinner, nobody bothered us, which was quite nice. And now we're heading off that way. Back to Gatlinburg. Because Cassie wants a coffee. And I don't make very good coffee. Wow. Apple and cinnamon scone. Another one. Yes. With a waterfall. This here frozen seat, and we got it from the Coffee and Company. So good. This is much cooler than the last time I was here. It's quite a neat little town. Kaz just brought up a revelation.
It's still -10 this morning, but our new datum is -19, so we think this is warm.
This is toasty warm.
Toasty warm.
We are back in the van, and we have a cop following us.
Clearing the streets, the riff raff.
We are the riff and the raff.
Yeah. I wish I ate shrimp just so that I could. Rafting, tubing, paintballing.
I don't think we're going to be doing any rafting or tubing. I'll miss that. Oh, wow.
Not on this day?
No, that is amazing. Caution, narrow winding road ahead. Absolutely no buses, campers or trucks.
We came from there.
Should we go back and apologise?
Parkway.
Interesting. Yeah, get up.
Here's a fun fact.
This is the Blue Ridge Parkway,
Franklin D. Roosevelt had something to do with this being built.
which is quite cool.
It was originally known as the Appalachian Scenic Highway.
It's 755 kilometers long,
It has 27 tunnels. 26 are in North Carolina and 1 is in Virginia.
which is not in North Carolina. It's got 168 bridges, 6 viaducts. What's the difference between a bridge and a viaduct? Let's get a bridge expert.
Multi-span bridges.
That's the difference.
The highest part of the parkway is 6,047 feet high.
Just up here is 4,000 feet, which is higher than the lowest part of the drive,
Yes. More than 600 million people have driven this road.
which is quite remarkable.
The more you know.
North is that way, and south is that way. Unfortunately, we can't go north or south because the road is closed. Are we at Sliding Rock?
Yes.
I think we're at Sliding Rock.
Basically the North Carolina version of Rary Falls.
However, I don't think Rary has that going on. Ever.
Ice.
That's a lot of ice. Interesting. Cool. Okay. You're right. These toilets have a great view of this frozen river. I'll give it a go.
I do too.
No, I'm good. I would die. It is winter.
I like Rock, yeah.
It really is like a miniature prairie.
So, yellow is medium, green is dark.
I like it. Right, let's go that way.
Too cold to slide in.
Ah, yes. Lunchtime.
Lunchtime it is.
Lunchtime. That sounds like lunchtime. Level. To the next stop.
20 minutes later.
Here we are at the next stop.
Next stop?
Yeah.
Probably on the next to the power of
A million.
121 right now.
It's another waterfall, and it's just upstream from that river down there. Let's go for a closer look. Where everybody's taking photos from. Bit of a waterfall there. I think that way. Half ice, half water. There seems to be a lot of those this time of year.
That was the looking glass waterfall. Great.
Didn't look like glass, and it didn't look like a looking glass either. We'll spin around this way so we're not being blinded. Where are we off to next?
I don't know the answer to this. I want to say Biltmore Estate.
Cool. Let's go there. Welcome to Biltmore. Seems to be the information centre behind me there. Let's see what we can do. It's got a flash building. Wow. Oh, that's the building we didn't go and see. So that was the entrance to Biltmore Estate. We will not be going there.
No.
We're too poor.
It's a wee bit outside of the budget. We shall not see Elvis's house, and we shall not see Mr.
We saw Elvis's house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw Biltmore as well on a screen.
Yeah, it's true. We will not be seeing Mr. Vanderbilt's house. However,
Is that why it's called Biltmore? Vanderbilt.
Yeah.
Biltmore.
Yeah.
Some great parking by the Volvo.
It's amazing parking. Gotta go. Stunning.
A few moments later.
We are about to go and see Avatar, if we can get tickets.
In 40 minutes time.
In 40 minutes time. It's Cinemarks in Asheville.
Who needs movie snacks when you have leftover Christmas peach cobbler ice cream and Cool Whip?
Cool Whip.
3 hours later.
How was the movie?
I really liked it. What did you think?
I quite enjoyed it. It's a good build-up movie for the next one.
It really was. There wasn't a hell of a lot of a storyline. It was more like built character development of the kids.
So many characters.
So there wasn't a lot of kids. They really liked each other.
Turn that there. Avatar was good. Right, it's time for some dinner.
Yeah.
Turn some light on there.
Yeah.
And then we will move to where we're going to start tomorrow. And we've already had pudding, so we're good to go as soon as we have this.
Later that night.
We're at the base of the Hickory Nut Falls. We're going to see them tomorrow. We're going to stay here for the night. We're going to wake up nice, bright and bushy-tailed in the morning and head on up and get some footage and all that jazz. But this is us for the night. I think she's tired. Are you tired?
Good night.
Right, night.